How to maintain iPhone battery health. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, launch the settings application on your device and tap on the battery option there, and then tap on battery health and charging. Further, go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for optimized battery charging. This will stop charging at 80% and finishes later, which will reduce battery wear. Also, make sure while charging, charge your phone to 20 to 80% and make sure to avoid draining it to 0%, or also make sure to avoid staying at 100% for longer hours. It is recommended to keep your battery between 20 to 80%. Also, if you use fast chargers, avoid fast charging all the time and make sure to use normal charging when possible and fast charge only when needed. Also, you can try to remove the case while charging if the phone gets warm or if your charger is too thick. Further, go ahead and control the heat. So, if your phone is too hot, don't try to play games while charging and make sure not to leave your iPhone in sunlight or hot car. Also, make sure to use an Apple certified charger, that is MFI certified cable and Apple charger, as cheap cables often cause overheating, fast health drop, and slow charging. Next, open settings again and tap on battery and then go ahead and enable low power mode, as this will reduce background activity and battery stress. Now, go back to settings and tap on general and then on software update. Further, go ahead and update your iPhone, as Apple often improves battery management with updates. See if your battery is still draining, and if yes, then in settings again tap on battery and find apps that is using high battery, and then go ahead and remove or limit unnecessary background apps. So this was about how you can maintain iPhone battery health. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.